Click the Setup button. Choose the size of decoder and cutter. Insert the decoder and cutter into the machine. Click the Next button. Place the stopper and fix calibration block. Remove the stopper. Click the Next button. Press the button of leveling cutter and decoder. Adjust the height of cutter and decoder. Click the Next button. Remove the cutter and insert the decoder. Use two decoders to continue the next calibration. Please do the calibration step by step according to the picture. When you finish all the steps, the calibration is done. Finished.